These are 7 highly effective ways to get house cleaning clients for free. So if budget is a little bit tight and you're looking to grow your business, then it's worth investing a bit of time into each of these 7 channels. If you do have some spare money and you can put money into paid marketing, then doing these things in addition will further accelerate the growth of your business. So let's jump straight into it. So first of all, offering free cleaning to influencers in your area. So the idea here is that we want to piggyback off the audience of these local influencers to essentially get your cleaning business in front of all these other people who follow this particular influencer. So one really great category of local influencers that you want to get in touch with are local parents, local mums bloggers, and you will find that many of these local mums bloggers, will talk about lots of different things to do with, raising their children and keeping their house clean, just the day-to-day. And what you want to do is you can simply Google local mums bloggers in your area and just go through the list. Put together a spreadsheet of those influencers, those bloggers with the highest audience, because that is that will give you the greatest potential reach. And then you want to have a look at their blogs, see if they have reviewed any products or services for free. The majority probably will have already done that. So if that is already the case, then you want to try and get in touch with these local mums blogs. You can offer a free cleaning, and then you can also get them to include a coupon code at the end of their review of your clean. And you can further accelerate the reach of your business in front of these local influencers by offering some sort of referral scheme as well. So you could say, let's say there is a local influencer called Victoria. You could say, okay, Victoria, if you can share the coupon code Victoria20 with your audience, every time that someone books with this coupon code, we'll give you a dollar amount. And the person booking can also get, say, $20 off their first cleaning as well. So this gives them a great incentive to promote your business in front of all their audience across all their different marketing channels. Point 2 is then to network with local property managers and estate agents. And really the power of networking with these groups is that you'll find that property managers in your area not only manage one property, they will often have to manage multiple properties, and it is an absolute guarantee that cleaning services and getting properties clean will be a core part of their property management. So if we can get in front of some property managers, contact them, introduce what you do, there will be interest in what you provide. Many of them will already have cleaning companies in place, but you will be amazed at how many of those property managers aren't particularly bowled over by the cleaning services that are offered. Many of them will actually be unhappy with their current provider and be looking to try someone else out. And this is the opportunity for you to come in and offer your services. So there are lots of different ways to network and contact these property managers. A favorite of mine is to use LinkedIn. LinkedIn is obviously the main business to business social network out there, and you can use the search tool on LinkedIn to look for property managers. So you can search by title, so property managers, and you can specify it within your particular location. So let's say Chicago in the US, and it will come up with a list of all the property managers listed in Chicago. And you can go in there and contact them, and you can introduce yourself. Obviously, not every single person that you contact, you get a response from. But if you do this systematically and every day, if you need to make sure that your LinkedIn profile is sufficiently filled out, because someone will probably look to your profile before deciding whether to respond to your message. So cover off, what your cleaning company offers and provides. Obviously, if you have any case studies and testimonials or of other property managers that you work with, that's an even greater way to get in touch with these people initially. So local network or networking with these local property managers can be a really, really effective way to get these new clients for free. As I said, you only need one relationship, and suddenly you can find that you're cleaning for multiple properties in your area. So if you're finding the content helpful so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really, really helps me. Let's jump on to point 3. So point 3 is then partnerships. When I talk about partnerships, I'm thinking particularly with what I call complementary service providers. So if you're a house cleaning business, but you don't offer, for example, window cleaning or oven cleaning or carpet cleaning, they would be the types of companies that I think would be a really, really great fit for a potential partnership. Because if you are contacting a window cleaning company and they have various clients on their books, it's very likely that they'll be interested in house cleaning services. Often they will have house cleaning provider already in place, but as I said with the property managers in my last point, many of them may not be particularly bowled over, or maybe not particularly satisfied with their current provider, and maybe they're interested in trying someone else. It's likely that they will already have the budget to be able to pay for a house cleaning business. So the way that you want to set up the partnership is, again, you can look to LinkedIn. You want to contact these local window cleaners, carpet cleaners. You can contact the local oven cleaners, but also dry cleaners and other services around what you provide. And you want to contact them and tell them that you're a high quality cleaning business. You're looking to partner up with other high quality providers in your area. And what you can say is, if you, the window cleaning business owner, were to promote our house cleaning services to their client base, we could offer, we could share a referral bonus. So let's say David's window cleaners, we provide David with a coupon code David20, and he sends out an email blast to all his clients introducing this new house cleaning company that they're working with. And for those people interested in booking service, if they use the coupon code David20, they'll get $20 off their first cleaning. But also, as we said in the last point, we can also track the number of bookings and pay David, the business owner, a set dollar amount for every cleaning that is booked through their channels. So this can really be effectively free money. It should really be a no-brainer, and the way that you want to do it longer term is also to share, put David's window cleaning services in front of your client base as well, and start to send clients both ways. And what you'll find is that you don't need a large number of partners in place really to make a huge difference. And if you've got a handful of partners that send you clients every month, this can be a really, really effective way to grow your business. So point 4 is then the Facebook groups. So wherever you're based in the country or around the world, there will be local Facebook groups catered specifically for parents and mums. And these are the groups that you really want to spend a bit of time trying to get into and engaging with people who are looking for cleaning services there. Because similar to what I started out the video about the mums blogs, one of the key things that the parents need help with, and I know this being a parent myself, is keeping your house clean and tidy. So what you'll find is that in a lot of these local Facebook groups, so for example, mums, a mums group in Chicago or a mums group in San Francisco, you'll find if you search for mums groups in your location on Facebook, there'll be a list of groups that come up, and you want to go into them and look at the number of members, and you want to try to get into these groups. But what you'll find once you get into these groups is, as well as all the day-to-day, you will get people periodically asking for recommendations for cleaning companies. And when you see this pop up, you want to respond, and you want to say that you're a local cleaning business, and you work with local families in the area. And again, put a coupon code in there, Facebook 20, gives them $20 off their first cleaning. And it allows you to track your efforts. If you're finding that you're getting lots of bookings where people have used the Facebook 20 coupon code, that particular Facebook group is sending you a lot of traffic. So this is really one of the keys of any marketing, is you want to track the performance of all your marketing efforts across all the channels. So wherever you're based in in the country, go to Facebook, typing in mums groups and you want to try and join all the groups, going from the largest to the smallest, there will usually be a short number of questions in there asking you for the reasons for joining, and you want to be very upfront and honest and say you're a local cleaning business. You're not intending to pitch your ideas, but if someone asks for recommendations for cleaning companies, then you could go in and then respond to that. Again, not every single Facebook admin will allow you in, but a number of them will allow you in. And once you're in those groups, have a little search for cleaning companies, maid service, see how often people are asking for recommendations. And then what you want to do is, if there are these posts coming up from time to time, you want to make a part of your daily task to go in, check. If there is someone who's asked for a recommendation, you can then respond. If you don't, if there isn't, then you can just keep going every day until someone does post. And the power of this is that even if you posted, say, responded to a to a cleaning company recommendation post, say 6 months ago, a new joiner might join into the group and they might think, okay, I've just moved into the area, I need a cleaning company, and they may search for cleaning companies within the group. And if they find that your company and you have responded a number of times, the least that they will do is they'll click on the website link that you provided and check you out. And if you get enough people clicking on your link, you'll start to get calls, you'll start to get quote requests, and eventually you'll start to get some booked clients as well. So point 5 is then friends and family. This is something that many people miss, and you want to be doing this as well as at the very start of your cleaning business. You want to keep doing this periodically. I would say every 3 to 6 months, just message your friends and family and just say that you're running a referral scheme. Ask them if they know friends or family that are looking for cleaning companies. It keeps it front of mind so that inevitably, if say they're having a conversation with a friend and they've had an issue with their cleaner, then your friend might say, okay, I've got another friend who has set up a cleaning business. It's worth giving them a try. Same thing as before. Give them a coupon code. Let's say your friend's called Charlotte. Give them code Charlotte20. Tell them to give that code to their friends, and that will give them $20 off. And again, every time someone books with the Charlotte20 code, you can give your friend a certain dollar amount. And this just helps to accelerate that referral bonus scheme as well. So do this obviously at the very start of your business, but make sure you do this every 3 to 6 months to keep it front of mind with your friends and family. Point 6 is then to look at your current clients. But with this, I'm talking about your current one-off clients. So clients that may have booked a one-off service, maybe a move in, move out, or a post-construction cleaning, or a one-off cleaning. And the idea is that we want to try to convert these people to either book again or to sign up for a recurring service. Obviously, signing up for a recurring service is the really, really lucrative thing that we can do. So look at your client list, look at the people who have booked previously with you but are not in the schedule, and then you want to send them a text message, send them an email, give them a call, and see and tell them, it's been a couple of months since we last cleaned. Would you be interested in a cleaning? If you're offering, you could offer a discount. You could say, we're running a campaign where we're offering $20 off for people booking their next service. And you could offer a different discount to try to get people to sign up for a recurring service. So your current clients, the clients that you previously cleaned for, is a great pool of new potential clients going forward, whether it's those cleaners, those clients booking another one-off job in the future, or signing up for recurring clients. This is something that many people don't miss. They do miss. So, as the business grows and you get more and more one-off jobs coming in through the pipeline, it can be really, really powerful going back to these previous clients. Point 7 is then on a similar point with your email list. So, you will find that many people will get in touch with you, ask for a quote, or they'll send a quote request. And you'll get back to them, and for whatever reason they don't book service. You'll find actually the majority of people who get in touch with you don't actually book service for whatever reason. Maybe it's budget, or maybe you don't hear back from them. So you will have a list of all these people that have called you, all these people that have sent a quote request, and you've got their contact details there. So, whereas the last point is talking about people that have booked service, and that will be a more, you're more likely to get those people to book again. You will also have this list of people that have previously inquired but not booked. So they have shown interest in what you've done or what you offer, but they haven't booked service for whatever reason. So again, it's worth sending it out. You can send out a blast email, a blast text message to them. We want to be a little bit careful with how often we do this, because we don't want to get reported to be a spam sender or anything like that. So do it every so often. Make sure your messages aren't so obviously a blast message. You could put something like, hi there, we got in touch with us recently to ask for a quote request. We didn't hear back from you. We're currently running a promotion where you get $20 off your first cleaning. Please respond to this message or please give us a call back if you're interested in booking service. So again, this is, by not using this pool, this channel, you're leaving money on the table. So go back to the people that have called you before, go back to the people that have sent a quote request and follow up with them to try and get you in the schedule. So once we do all these 7 things, we will definitely be getting clients, definitely getting inquiries, definitely growing the business. But really what I would say is the most effective free marketing channel that you can think about is essentially it's SEO, search engine optimization. We can sign up for a Google business profile, start getting reviews on there, start posting on our Google business profile, and Google will push us up the rankings, make us more visible at the top of the pages for the most interesting keywords. You can also create and set up your website in a way that you can attract more Google organic traffic as well. Things like building service pages, sub-location pages on your website, building out more content. Google loves all this stuff, and this is the way that Google will push up your website higher up in the rankings. And you'll find that if someone types in maid service in Chicago and your business, you have a Google business profile, you've got lots of ratings and reviews, and your website talks about maid service in Chicago and all the neighborhoods within Chicago, your business will be ranked higher and you will get free clients from your organic efforts. So in this next video, I'm just going to give you a quick intro about how SEO works, some of the basics, some of the key things to look at. So I'll see you on the next one.